Hello, eat and restaurant, Giuliana Henrietta Cantamil. Restaurant, waiters and clients. May I take your order? Yes, I like hamburger and larger order of french fries, please. Alright, and would you like salad? Yes, I'll have a messy Greek salad. Okay, what kind of dressing would you like? We had vinaigrette, Italian and French. Italian, please. And would you like anything fruit? Yes, I like large soda, please. Restaurant, my conversation brief. Miss, can you help me? Of course. Good morning, sir. What would you like to have breakfast? I would like to have a coffee with milk. And eat what would you like? I will eat toast with eggs. Would you like anything else? And a whole salad of fruits, please. Okay, sir, I'll be back with your order. Thank you, miss. Okay.